Students, are you looking to improve your CV? So I've got for you 3 courses which can pump up your CV. First is the Introduction and Practice of Clinical Research by NIH USA. If you are intending to work on a research project or a publication, this course will give you a head start to your journey towards research, and best part of it, it is free of cost. The second course is by WHO. Based on your interest, you have a big library on open WHO portal, and on a very regular basis, in order to educate physicians and public in general, WHO releases lot of programs, and many of them have certificate of achievement. So depending on your interest specialty, you might want to pursue one of the courses from open WHO portal. And finally, the third one is the course of ACLS or BLS, which is approved by AHA. Now this course is available on an offline or an online mode at different geographies and locations. You can pursue the course online or offline as long as you have a certificate. Remember students, these certificates come with a validity, and usually you have to mention information about these certificates on your ERAS application. So as far as possible, pursue this program almost in the year in which you are going to apply for residency application, so that you will be able to utilize that certification for your ERAS residency application.